Hi, it's AI Lisa here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, are recorded maintenance agreements required for private roads? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. When a private road is the sole access for two or more landowners, there is commonly a maintenance agreement recorded to state how the road will be maintained and who will pay for those repairs. All parties along the road should agree to the terms and the agreement transfers in perpetuity. Fannie Mae requires one on any property located on a private road unless the state has statutory provisions for maintenance. FHA always requires one. Freddie Mac and VA do not. If the home is in a pod, the appraiser should comment if the homeowners association does the maintenance. Always remember, deeded ingress and egress is always required. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.